Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're gonna make a delicious pizza. To make the dough, we need 400 milliliters of warm water, 500 grams of white flour, 25 grams of fresh yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 50 milliliters of olive oil. We're gonna start with the yeast. Mash it with the sugar. Put like 200 milliliters of warm water. And mash it till the yeast is dissolved. Leave it for like 10-15 minutes till the yeast is activated. You're gonna see some bubbles on the surface. Add the salt into the flour and mix it. After that, add the water into the bowl. And oil. And finally the flour. Mix it till you get a nice sticky dough. Flour first and flip the dough onto the table and start knead. You can do this process for like 10 minutes. You will know when the dough is ready. It's not sticky anymore. Put some olive oil into the bowl. Add your dough in it. Cover the bowl with a clean towel and leave it for like 1 hour till it doubles the size. To make pizza sauce, we need olive oil, fresh basil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, fresh garlic, tomato puree, dry basil, and dry oregano. In a pan, add some olive oil, fresh garlic, stir fry for like 30 seconds. Add fresh basil. And tomato puree. Add the sugar, dry basil, and oregano. Add salt. And pepper. And stir fry for like 10 minutes. Pizza sauce is ready. Leave it to cool down. So the dough has doubled the size, that means it's ready. Add some flour on the table. Put it on the table. And cut it. I cut it in like 3 pieces. Take one piece and modulate till you get a nice round. I like to use some corn flour on the sides. I'm gonna move it to my pizza peel and start to build the pizza. Put some sauce. All over. Mozzarella. And 2 types of cheese. Fresh basil. And now pizza is ready to get into the oven. Preheat your oven at max temperature for at least half an hour. Set a timer, like 7 minutes. Our pizza is ready. Let's slice it. and bon appetit! Delicious! Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you in the next one. Bye!